A heap of rubbish. Rubber, metal, some leather. Useless things that humanity wouldn't want to remember. We inherited it from our parents, grandparents, as well as the development in which we all participate. On the other hand, we are plagued by the cultural symbols with which we grew up. Dreams from our childhood, our heritage. What is a Porsche 911 if not a collection of several raw materials? Flour, water, yeast, some spices. The sum of ingredients in appropriate proportions changes the context. The most valuable are things you can't buy. A heap of rubbish, rubber, metal, some leather, useless things that humanity I used the materials that make up the Porsche 911. I found them in random places. What creates an image is an idea and determination, and a kind of an obsession that you keep in your heart.